What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I just got back from Napa picking up some oil dry because I forgot it when I went to get my oil and change my oil, and now I have a big oily mess in my floor over there. So that is the topic of this video, is shop supplies, and I wanted to show you my little setup here. I'm still working on it. I've got to get some more stuff to go here, but I've got part of it organized kind of the way I want it. I've changed some of the shelving around, as you can see. I took this shelf here out and I put some wider shelves here. I have a selection of these shelves over here. And some of these are the narrow ones and some of them are wider. There's 2 inches difference width-wise in this shelf here and this shelf here. And what that allows me to do is get 4 jugs, 4 1-gallon jugs on the shelf instead of just 3. So I did that, and I'm keeping Rotella, that goes in the 18-wheeler, the T4. The T6 I run in my pickup. I've got 3 gallons of Lucas and a gallon of bar oil there. I've got 8 gallons of antifreeze right here. Brake clean always comes in handy. I've got about a case of that there. Probably a case and a half of grease. You always got to keep your stuff greased. I've got some starter fluid. This is the non-chlorinated brake clean here. And I like that because when you heat it, it does not put off chlorine gas like the chlorinated. It does not clean quite as well, but most of the time I'm cleaning stuff to be welded or whatever. It will also double to start a diesel engine is because it is flammable, whereas the non-chlorinated is not. I've got some PB Blaster there. We've got about a case and a half of 134A Freon. I've got some PAG 150 with UV dye there, and I think there's some PAG 100 or something AC oil behind it. This is just some brake rollers and stuff there. It just got set there. We got some tire repair of vulcanizing cement there. Got some scrubs in a bucket. I swapped over to these and I found them to be better than the tubs of towel. At least I like them better. The Tub of Towels brand I was using are slick on both sides. Let me show you what I'm talking about. I got a bucket over here open. But they're real. The Tub of Towels brand is really slick, and it's great if you have soft hands and stuff. These here have a texture to them, and it's kind of a gritty feel, kind of like it gives you a scrubbing feel like a SOS pad or something. So they clean really bad grease off your hands better, but if you're trying to wipe a painted surface, these are not what you need. The Tub of Towels brand work better. But so far I'm really liking these. There's not quite as many of them in the bucket. There's only 72, and I think the Tub of Towels brand has 90. But so far I'm really liking these. I ordered those off of Amazon, and I've got the Scotch-Brite. This is the purple Scotch-Brite. I ordered 20 of those, case of them there, and that comes in for if you're polishing up a shaft or whatnot. We got some emery cloth here. I don't remember what grit this is, 180 grit. That's kind of a common. I picked that up, and that's again for polishing up a shaft or whatnot. We got some steel well, we got JB well, we got quick well, we got silicone. I've had to drive to town several times because of not having no silicone, so I started buying it and fixed this up so I could hang it up here. I've picked these blade fuses up, the minis and the normal size ones. This is just a pressure washer tip. This is the hot tip that's for your hot water pressure washer because they mess up. The O-rings in them go bad pretty frequently. Pick those up. These are just some DeWalt grinding discs. You can buy these at Lowe's or anywhere. Pick these up off of Amazon. They are Benchmark Abrasives brand 80 grit flat disc. These are the jumbo disc. They make a normal size. It's not near as thick. I have not had a chance to use these yet, and so I can't really comment on them, but they had some really good reviews on them, so I picked those up. I bought 10 of those. These are the DeWalt cutoff wheels. They work pretty good. You can get those off of Amazon or Tractor Supply. I picked up some of these Benchmark Abrasive brand as well, and I bought 50 of those. I have not had a chance to use those yet either. The Silver Streak Marco marking pencils, I picked that up along with the refill and then the second pencil because I'll probably lose one of them. Have not used these yet, but I have used a similar one before and it worked really well. Have no idea what happened to it. These gloves here, always needing gloves. I picked these up off of Amazon as well, and I really like these better than I bought some a while back from Northern Tool. I have these over here, and I do not like them. They're not near as thick, and the coating on them is not as well. These are the ones I picked up from Northern Tool here. They're a lot thinner and a lot thinner coating on them. They just don't last very well at all. I don't care for them, but I do really like these over here that I picked up. And I bought these pegboard hooks here off of Amazon as well. There's a 50 pack of them. The 1/4 inch diameter, 6 inches long, and that's what they look like. They seem to work really well. I wasn't really sure on those. They had some mixed reviews, but I don't see a problem with them. They work really great as far as I could tell. I could see if you had maybe the metal shelving instead of the wood that they're made for, they would slant down maybe is what some of them were talking about. I'm not really sure on that, but I picked a lot of this stuff off of Amazon. And I'm going to put some links, some affiliate links in the description. If you see anything here that I want to cross, if I bought it off of Amazon, I will put some links in the description for you guys, some affiliate links you can click on and check that out. But a lot of this stuff come from Napa, like all my oil and stuff I buy from Napa. I'm sure you can buy some of this stuff on Amazon, but I typically don't. The shipping and stuff, it's just as cheap I can go to Napa and get it. But yeah, everything else, the scrubs in the bucket, Scotch-Brite, Benchmark abrasives, all that stuff come from Amazon. What am I leaving out here? Oh, shop towels. This is what I use for shop towels. I probably need to get them moved down there or something, but I picked these up at Napa. This is what I keep in stock. They keep these in stock for the loggers. So they sell a bunch of them. They're reasonably priced. You can buy these off of Amazon as well. But again, I just picked them up at Napa. That seems to work for me. I got some welding stuff in stock. I don't know if very many people will need to keep that stuff. This is more for just general shop supplies that most people use, such as paint and whatnot. I need to get some more paint. Black paint is always a good touch-up paint. I need to get some more of that and organize this stuff a little bit better. But I've got this here down pretty much like I want it. I've got to get some more stuff. I'm going to get like some transmission fluid and stuff and put on this shelf. And I got to restock some of my oil here, and my filters go up here. But yeah, I try to order everything in cases if I can, and keep everything in stock so I don't have to be running uptown every 5 minutes. So the only thing that I don't have that I do need to get is a bolt bin of some sort. But I don't really run into that much. I find myself running to town to get a bolt most of the time. But I do have to run uptown a lot to get like oil and brake clean, and just like just now, this oil dryer over here. So I got 2 things of that. Really don't have a place to put it, so it's just kind of there. But anyway, let me know what you guys have run across, what you guys keep in stock. Leave that down in the comments, and what are your thoughts on my setup? Is this something that everybody does that has a shop, or y'all just like to run a town, or let me know what you guys think and what you guys do. Anyway, thanks for watching. We'll see you guys next time.